Hey friends, did you just encounter Valorant error with the error code 57? If yes, then I'll guide you through the resolution. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane to open the elevated command prompt window. Now in the elevated command prompt window, we need to copy and paste two commands. I have mentioned these commands in the description section. You simply need to copy and paste them and hit enter after each of these commands. Close the command prompt window and then right click on the start button, select shutdown and sign out and restart your system. Once your computer has been restarted, open the file explorer window, go to this PC, open the C drive, now open program files, scroll down to right Vanguard, right click on it and select delete. Please note that if you try to delete it right now, it will not delete the folder, but if you try deleting this folder after restarting your computer, this folder will get deleted. Once the folder is deleted, you can open Valorant and play the game as usual. I hope this was helpful, and if this was helpful, then please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.